Cinch around me, I've never written anybody's name so much, or whispered into curdled moonlight and moth-winged dust. I'll share Potrero's dirt with you anytime, especially now. Your Matrushka blooms mouth out of iron-lined vitrages in screaming primaries that coin a new black stigma for your gaping ribcage. I beg your seeded core cooked down to slurpable gummy sand in the shade of a sapling lie, told so quietly it's almost a secret in surrendered glimmering veins. This is how little of a fuck is given. No names, no addresses, nothing. Every blink a last salute to a departing steam engine or kicked rowboat off a rotting dock. The jet, the clouds, what you travel in, burning parchment scrolls and cone-torn fascia in twitching buffalo, as a horsefly inserts her surgical lines into the milky hypodermal corridor and watches day become night. What a night at all is this? Fire, is this darkness? Is this the tree? Are these dry leaves under my elbows, under your knees, or in my mouth? Is this spit mud on my brow, an earthen prayer on your cheek? How many steps around this trunk? How many little drags around this wood feather? Or how much glass around this swarm inside your chest? How many iridescent scales now line my belly and my back? How many venom gallons compressed inside my mumps, or millimeters on this needle? How many grams of pressure against the surface tension of this growling beauty? How much heavier stomping, swifter change-stepping, backspace reading, falling alive into tongue and groove? Oh, great surveillance apparatus! If you could only see me pulsing spine fluid in my fresh snakeskin, maybe you could sell me some insurance or some shoes to cover up these filthy homeless feet that print the office marble with shameless slime, or smell my puke as its half-cooked tomato dice dissolve high-end floor tiles into arthritic planes as the calcium powders down to creamy patina, so your moths weave into speeding stone cocoons, shatter your Duralex heart box, and land on the bank, posing as river smooths, winking at little David as he lays down his lyre and reaches for his slingshot. Rabies-ridden cheeks down a vacuum hallway, spastic flamenco rattle at the tip of a sawtooth serpentine curve. Without feet, how would I speak? Without feet, how would I speak? Would I speak in honey ripples or late spun scoop sticks in gelled and flaking local wildflower? Would I speak in mounded sand grains, long-winded dunes for underground ant lines? Would I speak sideways like a New Mexico rough scale, a billionaire train conductor looking for his main line, or like a filthy Jewish merchant in slippery and lewd logic? Would I speak ever-renewing creations, sundown to sunbust, hang gliding over the deep in divine suits, or in perpetual digestion, tooth to sphincter nerve gas loops, or in rising and falling outdoor alarm systems that surprise after dark, not scheduled on Tuesday noontimes, or would mine be as scheduled as orphanage meals, Brazilian C-sections, or suburban sex to the rhythm of organized theft, invisible to all parties, and therefore practically harmless, face whip, cream, strawberries, and bisquick, chantilly panties, and white wine, and clove tobacco. Would I speak in splitting smokeways, innumerable hatchings, as many as the droplets of cum on your Chinese satin. You know them each by name, each waiting for one, and bursting with 2 nuclear fungal spores, twirled in anti-wind inside of nothing. Would I speak in pregnant silences, tightrope battles of the spirit, of the psyche, of the mind, of bell-cube saliva drills and keys that circulate inside mechanical intestines, in pea-holding repetition, or with zeros that are also ones, or zeros that think they are ones, or with silicon jewels dangling from retired fishing vessels, distracting drizzly carpenters from their dear, dear redwood. Or would I speak in good old growth? You know, the kind that never ends even after 18 years of organic home cooking and private education, away from ads, digitals, maltodextrin, invert sugar, yellow sunset, and bad literature, or in self-invented inhalations, uneven or even